I felt that Carmel was the desert where God wanted me to go also to hide myself. It was not the dream of a child led astray, but the certitude of a divine call. I wanted to go to Carmel for Jesus alone. You want my heart, Jesus. I give it to you. I surrender all my desires to you, and those whom I love, O my spouse, my king. From now on, I only want to love them for you. When they signalled for me to come to the enclosure door, I embraced all the members of my family. My desires were at last accomplished. My soul experienced a peace so sweet, so deep, it would be impossible to express it. With what deep joy I repeated these words, I am here forever and ever. Jesus, you alone can satisfy my soul. Nothing can charm me here below. True happiness cannot be found here. It's to you alone, Jesus, that I'm attached. I cannot fear a God who made himself so little for me. I love him, for he is but love and mercy,